I'm Angela Nguyen, your downtown Bakersfield neighborhood reporter. After months, a new report emerges regarding Kern County social welfare services that sheds light on the serious damages that demand change. The findings come in a wake after the high-profile murder case of an 8-year-old girl. After the high-profile death of an 8-year-old Janice Mata, who authorities say was killed by her father and stepmother last year, Kern County ordered a sweeping review of its Child Welfare Services Department. On Tuesday morning, the Kern County Board of Supervisors met publicly to discuss the findings of the high-stakes assessment. The report was conducted by an independent third party, the Social Policy Institute at San Diego State University. For some residents, they claim the assessment did not give clear resolutions to move forward.
It was the same answers. We're going to look into it. We're going to figure it out. But
Arlie Vilazana acknowledged that the analysis highlighted how social workers are stretched on time to meet deadlines, their clients, and make time for themselves. However, Vilazana says there was one question that the meeting did not address.
What is the maximum caseload a social worker can safely carry?
Vilazana says getting answers to questions like hers would help social workers better manage their caseloads, reducing stress for both workers and the families they serve. She says that supports one of the key findings in the Department of Health's external review, which states DHS has built strong community partnerships and recognizes that supporting family takes a village. Meanwhile, Kern County resident Janine Adams says the Board of Supervisors needs to take a more active role in prioritizing the children and families who depend on the system, not just the staff who work within it.
So my question to the Board of Supervisors is, in the last budget, how did they demonstrate through their checkbook that they are supportive of families and children in Kern County?
Lori Clark, co-director of the Social Policy Institute, says making improvements begin after the assessment process is complete. She added that how quickly those changes happen depends largely on strong communication between leaders, staff, and the families they serve.
Our point in bringing forward this report was to fully document our findings after a thorough review.
The hope now is that this report brings real change to the Kern County's child welfare system before another child falls into the hands of caretakers. Reporting for 23 ABC, I'm Angela Nguyen, your downtown Bakersfield neighborhood reporter.